see what my lovely friends have to share with all of you.
Please take me to the park. I want to play cricket with my friends. No, Cornish, you should not go out. It's not safe outside. I want to go to school. I miss my teachers and friends. Yes, don't worry. We will go once everything is normal again. Can we go and meet Grandpa and Grandma? I want to hug them. We are not allowed to go out now. It is lockdown. It's lockdown and we are not allowed to go out.
Friends, let's not be sad. We are strong to adapt the new normal.
But is it that difficult to do so? When things are difficult, we can make it easy for we are strong. Hey Fred, cheer up. Remember, not everything is locked down. Music is not locked down. Music is not locked down. Music is not locked down. Music is to play together. Creativity is not locked down. Devotion is not locked down. Imagination is not locked down. Fun is not locked down. Dancing is not locked down. Bulbul paki moina diye aina jana ganshuniye. Reading is not locked down. Kindness is not locked down. Spending time is not locked down. Gaining knowledge from my teachers is not locked down. Wait, but how is that possible? School is closed. Look, we have school online. Online classes are fun. Our school has arranged online classes for us. I can talk to my teachers there and see my friends too. So see, my dear friends, everything is not locked down. We should overcome this pandemic situation very soon. Yes, we're right. Our warriors are working day and night to keep us safe. And friends, it is also our responsibility to help them. But how? By following A, B, C, D. A for avoid going out unless it is an emergency. Coronavirus. It is spreading all over the world. So be careful. While going outside, always wear masks and sanitize your hand. C. Correct and continuous use of mask like this. Letter D. Don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth without washing your hands.